Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Perfect Teacher. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today, we'll help you understand food labels in English, the words you see on packages when you buy food.
Exactly. You'll learn what words like calories, ingredients, and serving size mean.
And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to read any food label in English, like a pro.
So stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to learn English in a fun way.
All right, let's start.
Okay. Paul, imagine we are in a supermarket.
Sure, let's say we pick up a box of cereal.
Perfect. On every box, you see a food label. It gives information about the food.
Yes, and that information helps you make healthy choices.
The first thing we usually see is nutrition facts.
That's right. Nutrition facts means information about what's inside the food, like energy, fat, sugar, and vitamins.
So, Paul, what's the first thing under nutrition facts?
Usually it's serving size.
Exactly. Serving size means the amount of food for one person or one portion.
For example, if the serving size is 1 cup, that means the label shows nutrition for 1 cup only.
That's a good point. Some people think the whole box is one serving, but that's wrong.
Yes, if you eat 2 servings, you must double the calories.
Good math practice, too. Next, you'll see calories.
Calories tell you how much energy you get from 1 serving of food.
If something has 500 calories, it gives your body a lot of energy.
But too many calories can make you gain weight.
Exactly. That's why it's important to check before eating.
Then we have total fat, sodium, and sugar.
Yes, fat means the oil or grease in your food.
Sodium is salt.
And sugar, well, we all love sugar, but too much is not good.
If the sugar number is high, you should probably eat less of that food.
That's right. So, if your cereal says 25 grams of sugar, that's a lot.
Exactly. Try to choose cereals with less than 10 grams of sugar per serving.
Good tip, Paul.
After that, you might see protein and carbohydrates.
Right. Protein helps you build muscles. You get it from food like eggs, meat, and beans.
And carbohydrates, or carbs, give you energy. You find them in bread, rice, or pasta.
So don't be scared of carbs. You just need a good balance.
Exactly.
Then we have the ingredients list.
Yes, that's a very important part.
The ingredients tell you everything inside the food.
And here's the trick. The first ingredient is the main one. It means there's more of it in the food.
For example, if the first ingredient is sugar, that food has a lot of sugar.
So always check the first 3 ingredients. They tell you a lot.
That's true.
You might also see best before or expiry date.
Good one. Best before means the food is best to eat before that date.
And expiry date means don't eat it after that date. It's not safe.
So remember, best before is about quality, but expiry is about safety.
Exactly.
Oh, and some packages have allergy information.
Yes, if you see words like contains nuts or contains milk, that means the food has those things.
That's very important for people with allergies. Always read that part carefully.
I once ate a cookie with nuts by mistake. Not a good idea.
Oh no, are you allergic to nuts?
No, but it was so hard to stop eating them.
Okay, that's another kind of problem. All right, learners, let's practice together. I'll ask and you answer aloud.
Yes, say your answers with confidence.
Question 1. What does serving size mean?
Correct. It's the amount of food for one person.
Question 2. What does calories show?
Right. It shows how much energy you get from food.
Question 3. What is sodium?
Exactly. It means salt.
Question 4. What does best before mean?
It means the food tastes best before that date.
And question 5. If the first ingredient is sugar, is that good or bad?
Usually bad. It means the food has a lot of sugar.
Good job, everyone. You're learning fast.
Yes, you're doing great. Keep repeating these words until they feel easy.
So today, we learned how to read food labels in English.
We talked about calories, fat, sugar, protein, and more.
We also learned how to check serving size, ingredients, and expiry dates.
Now you can go shopping and understand what you're buying in English.
If you liked this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share this video.
And write in the comments, what food label word do you see most often?
Great idea! That helps you practice writing too.
See you next time on Mr. Perfect Teacher.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and stay curious.